Okay guys, guess what? I've just got the new Berserker Rex inside this package. Really excited. I'm driving this back. Oops. Okay, so can't wait to unbox this. Okay, so now I'm home guys. So this is the Berserker Raptor. Two of them actually, white and the black Berserker Raptor. So remember the Berserker Rex, which is an inspired Indominus Rex from Nanmu Studio. So today we are unboxing the Indoraptors. Really excited. Let's get started. So I'm going to cut this open with a box cutter. So please, do not use this at home on your own. I'm using one hand to actually cut this open, and the other hand to hold the camera. So just give me 1 second. Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now. Okay guys, so let's do this right below our collection shelf. And should we place these two Berserker Raptors, inside my shelf, or with the other Indoraptors? Not too sure. So this is the previous Berserker Rex, which is an inspired Indominus Rex. We'll do a comparison with it later on. And right over here, you can see two different figures. One is the Berserker Raptor, which I think it's the black one, and this is the Nightmare Apostles, which should be the white one. I'm not too sure, so I'm really excited. So let's open this up. Okay. So it's nicely wrapped up. The box, all the boxes looks fantastic. Wow, let's take a look at the box. Beautiful. I believe this is the first review in English, because there's actually another review in a different language. So let's open this up first, the Berserker Raptor. Please ignore the table. I know it is very dirty and damaged. Wow, take a look at this guys. Check this out. So this comes with a little piece of card. Looks beautiful. Looks really beautiful. Okay, we shall read the card later on. So let's get this box out. Basically it says Berserker Raptor 狂虐. 狂虐, it's like what do you say in how do I explain it? It basically means it is super ferocious and probably a bit twisted. Okay, it's nicely packed with this foam. Okay, what's the back of the box? Comes with this beautiful Nanmu Studio logo. Nanmu is hard to change. It's basically called 本性难改. It's actually like a Chinese idiom, which means it's very hard for you to change your character. Yeah, your character. And this looks like Alan Grant from Jurassic Park. So as you guys can see, this figure is nicely wrapped up. Oh my goodness, it looks brilliant. Okay, let's get this out. So we have three different items right here. First, you have the card. Next, you have this small little figure of Alan Grant. It looks like it is a glow-in-the-dark figure, but I'm not too sure. But check this out. It looks brilliant. So you can probably paint this, but I'm not too sure because the surface is really smooth. So let's have a close look at this beautiful, awesome figure. Okay, are you guys ready? Let me get this out. Wow, looking good. Looking really good. Okay, to be honest, at first glance, this does not look as detailed as this one right here, okay? At first glance. But it could be due to the surface of the Indoraptor, because it has a pretty glossy surface. Okay, let's take a look at this. Wow, it looks brilliant. So overall, this looks fantastic. Let's have a close-up look at this. Let's check out our face. Wow, it really does look like an Indoraptor. Let's do a comparison with an Indoraptor figure later on. Okay, the lower jaw seems to be longer. You know, this visual trick right here. So I'll definitely make it slightly shorter if I were Nanmu Studio. Beautiful details on the inside, so you guys can see there's a glossy shine to it. So very nicely detailed. Can you guys see it? There's like, you know, texturing on the tongue. Wow, it looks brilliant. There's a golden stripe right here. So this is basically an inspired Indoraptor figure, but it doesn't have the feathers. Remember that. The Indominus Rex didn't have the feathers as well. So brilliant figure. Wow. And take a look at this curve on the tail. It's nicely detailed, for sure. Not as detailed as the Indominus Rex, and it's kind of small, but I love it. I love it. Do they look to be in you know, in proportion? I think so. Yes, because blue will be something like this, small right here, and that's the Indominus Rex. So it definitely looks like they are in scale. Okay, next up, let's open this. And later on, let's do a comparison with the Berserker Rex and other Indoraptors, okay? Okay, let's take a look at this. Nightmare Apostles, or Apostles. And it says 噩梦使徒, which means it is like a nightmare disciple or something. Okay, so here's the box. Beautiful calligraphic style for the logo. So let's get this out. Comes with this card as well. So if you do a comparison, both of them are the same. It's kind of weird because they're actually different in colors. So let's get this out. Beautiful box, really beautiful box. Right now it's out. Let's remove the top covering. Okay, so it's nicely protected. And here's Alan Grant again. So we have two figures of them. They look exactly the same. Do they? Yeah, so that's the shot where he was like holding the light torch to distract the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, this one looks good. I can see it. Wow. This looks amazing. It looks pretty scary to be honest. It looks really scary. Okay, this one is definitely not going into the Indoraptor shelf, because the Indoraptor shelf consists of all the different black dinosaurs, the hybrids. So I'm actually categorizing them according to you know, the color scheme. Okay, this is really nice. Wow, which one do you guys prefer? I mean, this one definitely looks like the Indoraptor, but this one looks scary. It looks very scary. Okay, if you take a close look at the body, okay, they're definitely very well detailed. If you take a close look at this, you can see the different scales. Awesome stuff. Very nicely done. On the face sculpt, you can see the ridges right here. The eyes are nicely painted as well. The teeth, as you guys can see, have a wear and tear, have a wetted look. Really nice. You can see the interior of the mouth. You can see there's like a concave portion right there, and it's painted with glossy paint, I guess. The claws. Oh! Okay, for a moment I've thought they are of a different post, but if you check this out. You can see some skin folds. You can even see the faint hint of the rib cage. So it's really nice. And this texture right here feels really rough. Very high quality. But if you compare it with the Berserker Rex, this is definitely not as premium, I feel. It feels kind of heavy, but not as heavy as it definitely feels much heavier than this. And the material should be the same, but this is like super well detailed. So there you go, two different Berserker Raptors. I think they look really awesome. Which one do you guys like more? The black one or the white one? I think both of them looks really good. Super cool. So let's get an Indoraptor figure over here to do a comparison, shall we? Okay guys, so this is the super posable Indoraptor. So let's do a comparison. The face definitely looks pretty similar, I must say. This is so well done, the face. It looks really like the Indoraptor, but it is lacking the feathers over here, or rather the thorns or whatever you call it. Yeah, and you can see the golden stripe across the body, which is really well done. So it definitely looks like the Indoraptor. But just to let you guys know, this is actually not an official product. Okay, it's an inspired bootleg, but Nanmu Studio, you know, they create very high quality, you know, dinosaur figures. Yeah, so awesome stuff. In terms of the sculpt, it is definitely, you know, brilliant. So there you go, two of them, the white one and the black one. I think both of them looks really nice. This one looks like you know, a monster coming out from a horror movie. Really love the paint job on this. This one looks classic. So I can't wait for you know, the one from, is it Studio One? I can't remember. Indoraptor to be released. That's the official one, but you know, for now we have this. This looks like the best Indoraptor figure we have so far. A 2019 figure from Nanmu Studio. So we have the Berserker Rex, Berserker Raptor right here, and the Nightmare Apostles. Okay, Nightmare Apostles and the Berserker Rex behind. So which one do you guys think is the best over here? If you ask me to choose, I'm definitely going with the Berserker Raptor. Okay, the Nightmare Apostle looks really good as well. But oh, there's one more thing. So should I place the black Indoraptor inside this shelf? Okay, should I place it right here inside this together with the Indoraptor's collection, or should I place it over here? I'm thinking of placing the Nightmare Apostles with, you know, these dinosaurs. What do you guys think? Yeah, help me decide, okay? Help me decide and check out this mess right here, okay? Hope that you guys enjoyed this review. My review are always one take uncut, raw footages for you guys. So hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, share it, drop me a comment, and I'll try my best to reply to you as soon as possible. And if you're new here, my name is Dan. I upload dinosaur videos every single day, so make sure you subscribe if you like dinosaurs and Jurassic World, and don't forget to press the little bell icon right below to receive notifications whenever I upload a video. Okay, my name is Dan, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Beautiful figures. These are really beautiful.